Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Farming Simulator on PlayStation 4. First, familiarize yourself with the main menu, where you can adjust game settings, save your progress, and access the store. When starting a new game, you'll choose a map and difficulty. Your initial goal is to purchase land and basic machinery. We'll cover how to operate tractors and implements, manage your fields, and begin your agricultural journey. Get ready to cultivate your virtual farm. Once your farm is set up, the real work begins. You'll need to plow or cultivate your fields, then sow seeds using a seeder. Pay attention to the crop calendar to ensure optimal planting times. Fertilizing your fields is crucial for maximizing your harvest, so make sure to apply it at the right stages. When your crops are ready, use a combine harvester to collect them, then transport your produce to various sell points for profit. Beyond crops, livestock offers another income stream. You can raise cows for milk, pigs for meat, or chickens for eggs. Each animal type requires specific care, feed, and housing. Keep an eye on the in-game economy. Prices for crops and animal products fluctuate, so selling at the right time is key to maximizing your earnings. Reinvest your profits into better machinery, more land, or new farm buildings to grow your agricultural empire. To truly master Farming Simulator, consider taking on contracts from other farmers. These are great for earning quick cash and trying out new equipment. Dive into forestry by cutting down trees and processing wood, or explore complex production chains like bakeries or dairies to turn raw materials into higher-value goods. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals to keep your real-life ride fresh. These advanced strategies will help you build a thriving and diverse farming operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.